Hey guys, Sunday E here, and welcome to our tips and tricks on the Galaxy Fold. Looking at interesting ways you can use this device. And wait, what's going on? If people are wondering what's the tips and tricks for this phone, I'm not talking about that. I'm giving you 5 good solid ideas on the Galaxy Fold. And yes, you can see here, first of all, it's called Singular Inception. My face in front. And my face inside. Yes, sexy. Yes, all my wives have a Galaxy Fold and they can see my picture every day like this. Sexy, hey, sexy, singular inception. Oh. So as you people know, I'm a man of many talents, and of course I have many wives. But sometimes it's very difficult to stay in communication with all of them. So, the Galaxy Fold helps me to talk to all my wives at the same time. Sometimes video chat, text message, or even on Twitter, or I can talk to my wife Angela, or send my wife an email. Whatever I feel necessary. It's useful. Now I'm a one man split in 7 ways. Baby, says it. So it's not all fun and games with the Galaxy Fold. Yes, it's a lovely device, but because I have, a bigger screen, I can go inside and jump in and do some jungle warfare. I can find my enemies, a vineyard, because me, I like good wine. I know this is not wine, but good wine in the jungle. So yes, you people get the idea. It's very good, jungle warfare. So as you know, I'm a very important figure, and sometimes people threaten my life. So I have to have, of course, bulletproof protection. That's why I love the Galaxy Fold, because it comes with a Kevlar, Kevlar case, and that's why I put it next to my chest, so it can block bullets. Sexy. Hey, I know it looks like I've been drinking a lot, but the Galaxy Fold has a lot of very good features. But what I really like is the fact that it can use it as my daily mirror, because when I look at myself in the picture, I can just look at it and this guy is just sexy. Take it from me. Baby, please. Yes, that's right. The currency gala here, we are looking good, we are looking tight, we are looking fresh. And it's Friday, maybe Saturday, could be Sunday. I don't know where planning to live in, but it's all right. Singular Inception. Sexy, ha, sexy, hey, yes. I don't know why I'm dancing, but I'm just dancing. Sexy, oh, sexy, Singular Inception. Baby, relax. I'll send you the rent money. I'm trying to finish this video. After they finish, they pay me, and I'll pay the rent, okay? Come on, please. Let me see my children. Where's Junior? Wait, is this recording? Stop that.